Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people in which part of the world you know there. Today me I go ask you a question and I want to know if you be very truthful in the comments. How much you know remember where I come from? How much you know remember where God has brought you from? To where you dead today? How much you know remember the little one room you grow up in? Where all seven you know that on the bed? Turn cross way, side way, up way, all kind of way. But now you live in a big tapa house. You all a flush toilet and you can open fridge when you want. How much you remember say back in the day we granny used to send we go buy ice up at Miss Martha shop. We'd never even have 2 room, much less 2 bed. How much you remember when we have to run down a river to go wash up ourselves or wash off we foot to go to bed at night time? How much you remember that? How much you remember so we never even have a running water? We have to go down a gully or go down a river or go way up a bridge go catch water if come back. Me just a left you right there so. As you know, go through this Christmas season, you buy up gift and you go on and do all kind of manner of evil things. Take a moment and reflect. My mother always say, cuss when go, but no cuss when I come from. My people, as me they are reflect, it is my humble beginnings that has brought me to where I am today. And me no forget, in all things give thanks. So this Christmas season, give thanks, man, and take a moment and reflect on where I come from. Fill the comment field and make me hear, man. Let me hear where God has brought you from and where He's brought you to today. As always, with a heart full of gratitude, Mama Selva. Have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, in which part of the world on a day.